In front of me is Nubia Pad 3D, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. All you need to do is launch one of your apps and access it in the background. To do that with Trick's navigation, use this square button. When you're ready, click on this icon of two rectangles at the top right corner and then tap on any other app. As you can see, now I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way to the right or to the left and click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!